Hey, 4.5 problems in 3 dimensions. So trigonometry is used in many applications, such as real life, such as measuring unknown lengths and heights. Okay, surveyors and engineers use instruments such as a theodolite or a clinometer to measure horizontal and vertical angles. Okay, so for example 1, from point B, which is here, Manny uses a clinometer to determine the angle of elevation to the top of the cliff is 61 degrees. Okay, so there's some cliff here. So this is like a cliff. Okay, so this is 61 degrees. From point A, which is here, 50 meters away from Manny, Joe estimates the angle between the base of the cliff, which is here. So the cliff, the edge of the cliff is here. Okay, so the base of the cliff, which is C, himself and Manny, right? So this is Manny. This is Joe. Okay, so this angle is 38 degrees. While Manny estimates the angle between the base of the cliff, himself and his friend Joe, so this angle is 72 degrees. Okay, calculate the height of the cliff. Okay, so this is another one of those questions where we're going to use the information on one triangle and to solve information on the other. Okay, so this triangle down here is not a right angle triangle. Okay, but this one is. So this one at the top, we can use SOHCAHTOA. But the one on the bottom, we have to use sine law or cosine law. Okay, so if we take a look at this, we're going to deal with A, C, B. So let's just zoom in on these three. Okay, and we have 38, 72, and 50. The side that these two triangles share is CB. So likely we're going to have to solve for CB. Okay, so let's just call that X. So for sine law, we need a matchup. Okay, we're able to first solve for angle C, and then we're going to have a matchup. So angle C is going to be 180 minus 38 minus 72. Okay, so I get 70 degrees. So angle C is 70 degrees. And now we have this matchup. So let's solve for side A, which we're going to call X. Okay, so we're going to go X over sine A is going to equal C over sine C. Okay, so X over sine, and remember the angle goes with sine, cos, or tan. So this is going to be 38 degrees. And now C, we're going to have 50 over sine 70. In this question, all we have to do is cross multiply the sine 38 up. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the right. So we're going to have X equals 50 times sine 38 over sine 70. Okay, and I can put this entire thing into my calculator, and I get 32.7, 32.8. So let's round to 33. Okay, so this is going to be 33. I'm assuming meters. I'll just double check. Yep, 33 meters. Okay, so now we have 33 here. Okay, so let's redraw this triangle DBC. D, B, and C. This is the right angle, this is 61 degrees, and this is 33. So we're looking for the height. Let's call it H. So the height is going to be opposite the 61, and the 33 is going to be adjacent. With opposite and adjacent, we're going to use tan. So it's going to be tan 61 equals H over 33. Okay, cross multiply that 33 up. I'm going to write it in the front so that we don't make a mistake and actually multiply the length by the angle. So 33 tan 61, I'm going to round, we're going to get 60. Okay, H equals 60 meters. Okay, so then we can say, therefore, the height of the cliff is 60 meters.